BTC Markets Pricing explained what you get for your money. BTC Markets is an Australian cryptocurrency exchange, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for high-volume traders. The surprising truth is that BTC Markets provides a simple yet professional platform with transparent pricing, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Creating an account is free, and deposits in Australian dollars or cryptocurrencies generally have no platform fees, though network fees still apply. BTC Markets uses a maker-taker fee model starting at 0.1% for makers and 0.25% for takers, with discounts for higher trading volumes. For example, buying $0 worth of Bitcoin would cost if you're a maker, or $50 as a taker, and these fees decrease as your 30-day volume increases. The platform focuses on spot trading, offering a range of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as select altcoins. Withdrawals are transparent, showing network fees before completion. BTC Markets also emphasizes compliance and security with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and anti-money laundering procedures in place. The surprising truth is that BTC Markets combines competitive fees with strong regulatory compliance and security, which is especially valuable for Australian traders. By understanding the fee structure, users can plan trades efficiently and avoid hidden costs. In conclusion, BTC Markets offers clear, predictable pricing, strong security, and a user-friendly interface. Knowing the trading and withdrawal fees allows you to maximize your funds and trade confidently, making BTC Markets a reliable choice for both newcomers and seasoned traders in Australia and beyond.